Easy Fix Appliances.
Hi, today we have an AEG LAVAMAT W100 washing machine. We're going to change the drain pump. First, I'll show you how to open this machine. You can see the programs from the knob on your left-hand side. All you have to do is rotate the knob to the desired program and pull it out to start. You can select the temperature you want from the knob next to that program selector. This machine has a mechanical switch, so it will rotate eventually, and you can hear that ticking noise. You have to take the machine out to change the drain pump and open the back cover. There are 6 screws at the back of the machine that hold the metal cover, so you have to remove them. Once you open the back cover, you can see the drum belt agitator, heater, thermostat, motor, counterweight, and shock absorbers. In the far corner, you can see what we need to replace, the drain pump. You have to remove these 3 screws. If the temperature knob is rusty, you have to clean it. If the heating element is good, it should have around 30 ohms resistance between these blue wires. If the suspensions are wobbly, you have to change them. This is how I remove the pump. Keep in mind that you have to use the same holes to attach the new drain pump, so taking a picture will be handy. This is how the new pump looks like. You can install it and put everything back.